Smartwatches, smart glasses, and AI-powered rings are evolving faster than ever, but how far can these devices go? Are we on the verge of a future where wearables replace smartphones? This revolution has already begun. Today we will explore how artificial intelligence is shaping this new era of technology, which devices are leading this transformation, and what we can expect in the coming years. What once was just a tool for counting steps or measuring heart rates has now become a true AI-powered personal assistant. The big question is, are we really ready to abandon smartphones and transition to a fully wearable world? Let's find out. Part 1. How AI is transforming wearables. In the past, wearables were simple fitness trackers, limited to counting steps and measuring basic health metrics. But artificial intelligence has completely transformed these devices, making them more interactive, predictive, and even capable of replacing key smartphone functions. AI-powered wearables are no longer just accessories. They are becoming indispensable tools for communication, health monitoring, and daily productivity. Here's how AI is revolutionizing this market. Personalized health monitoring wearables have evolved into real-time health companions. With increasingly accurate sensors and machine learning algorithms, they can detect heart arrhythmias, measure blood oxygen levels, and analyze stress patterns before they become serious health issues. But AI is taking this even further. Early disease detection. Some smartwatches and rings now use AI to detect irregular heart rhythms, monitor glucose levels for diabetics, and even predict potential strokes before symptoms appear. This technology could soon outperform traditional medical checkups in spotting early warning signs. Mental health tracking. AI-powered wearables can now analyze voice tone, heart rate variability, and sleep patterns to detect signs of anxiety or depression, providing users with mental health insights and personalized coping strategies. Personalized workout optimization. Instead of generic fitness tracking, AI now adjusts exercise recommendations based on an individual's recovery state, muscle fatigue, and metabolic rate, ensuring optimal performance and injury prevention. Real-time language translation. AI-powered earbuds like the Time Kettle WT2 allow seamless communication with people who speak different languages, but the impact of AI in language translation is expanding beyond simple conversations. Context-aware translations. AI is becoming more sophisticated in understanding cultural nuances, slang, and dialects, ensuring that translations sound more natural and contextually appropriate. Subtitles for the real world. Some smart glasses are integrating AI-driven real-time captions, displaying spoken words as text on the lens, which could revolutionize accessibility for the hearing impaired and enhance live translation experiences. AI-powered speech training. Wearables can now analyze pronunciation and intonation, helping users learn and practice new languages with instant feedback, effectively acting as a private language tutor. Gesture control. Forget buttons and touchscreens. Gesture recognition is making interaction with devices more seamless than ever. AI-powered smart rings and wristbands can detect micro movements in the fingers, allowing users to control digital interfaces with subtle hand gestures. This innovation is opening doors to new possibilities. Hands-free device control. Users can navigate smart TVs, drones, and even virtual reality environments with simple flicks of their fingers, eliminating the need for remotes or controllers. Adaptive accessibility. Gesture recognition is becoming a game changer for people with disabilities, enabling them to interact with technology in more intuitive and accessible ways. Integration with augmented reality. AR. AI wearables are merging with AR interfaces, allowing users to interact with virtual elements simply by pointing or swiping in the air, paving the way for a future where physical screens become obsolete. Integrated AI assistance wearables are no longer passive devices that simply collect data. They are evolving into fully functional AI assistants that can anticipate user needs, automate tasks, and provide proactive recommendations. Context-aware assistants. AI-powered wearables analyze user habits, routines, and surroundings to provide timely recommendations. Whether it's suggesting the best time to take a break, automatically adjusting smart home settings, or alerting users about upcoming meetings. Advanced voice and visual interactions. AI assistants in wearables are becoming more conversational and interactive, using voice, gestures, and even augmented reality overlays to enhance user experiences. Seamless multi-device connectivity. AI assistants are acting as hubs that connect and synchronize multiple smart devices, allowing users to control everything from home security cameras to car infotainment systems, all from a simple wearable. The next question is, which devices are already leading this revolution? Part 2. The top AI wearables of 2025. With AI advancing at an unprecedented pace, some devices are already shaping the future of wearable technology. These innovations are not just improving convenience, they are redefining how we interact with the digital world, making technology more seamless, intelligent, and integrated into our daily lives. Here are the most advanced AI-powered wearables that are leading the revolution. Humane AI Pin, the screenless AI assistant. The Humane AI Pin is one of the boldest attempts to replace smartphones entirely. Instead of relying on screens, this device uses voice commands, projected interfaces, and AI-driven contextual assistance to interact with the world around you. It's designed to eliminate distractions by offering a hands-free, always-available digital assistant. Laser projection interface. Instead of a traditional screen, the AI Pin projects an interactive display onto your palm or nearby surfaces, allowing users to interact with information in a unique and futuristic way. Real-time context awareness. AI processes environmental data, making the device highly responsive to user needs, whether it's suggesting a meeting reminder or translating speech instantly. Privacy-focused AI. Unlike traditional smartphones, it limits unnecessary notifications and data collection, focusing on delivering only relevant and meaningful interactions. Apple Vision Pro, the future of augmented reality. Apple's Vision Pro represents a major leap in wearable computing by blending digital and real-world environments. This high-powered AR headset is designed to replace traditional screens and introduce an entirely new way of interacting with digital content. Spatial computing. With eye and hand tracking, users can navigate applications, browse the internet, and watch immersive content without needing controllers. AI-enhanced AR applications. From real-time object recognition to AI-assisted productivity tools, the Vision Pro offers experiences that go far beyond what smartphones or traditional computers can provide. Work and entertainment in a new dimension. Whether it's attending virtual meetings, gaming, or watching 3D movies, the Vision Pro merges digital elements with reality in a way never seen before. Oura Ring Gen 4 AI-powered health insights. The Oura Ring Gen 4 is not just a fitness tracker, it's a comprehensive AI-powered health monitoring device. It provides deep insights into sleep, stress, and recovery, making it a valuable tool for optimizing well-being. Advanced sleep analysis. AI detects sleep cycles, disturbances, and even potential sleep disorders, offering personalized recommendations for better rest. Daily readiness score. The ring tracks physiological markers such as heart rate variability, HRV, and body temperature to determine how prepared your body is for physical or mental exertion. Women's health tracking. AI can now predict menstrual cycles and fertility windows with high accuracy, making the Oura Ring a powerful tool for reproductive health. Meta Smart Glasses. AI in your eyewear. Meta's smart glasses, developed in collaboration with Ray-Ban, integrate an AI assistant into a lightweight, stylish frame. Unlike bulkier AR headsets, these glasses are designed for everyday wear, seamlessly blending functionality with fashion. AI-powered visual assistants. The built-in AI can recognize objects, translate text in real time, and even provide navigation assistance without looking at a phone. Voice-controlled digital assistant. Users can interact with AI hands-free, asking for weather updates, setting reminders, or controlling smart home devices. Camera and live streaming capabilities. Equipped with a high-quality camera, these smart glasses allow users to capture moments or stream live directly from their perspective. Ultra-Human Ring Air. Next-gen fitness and health tracking. For those who want AI-powered health tracking without a bulky smartwatch, the Ultra-Human Ring Air is a game-changer. This lightweight fitness ring is designed to monitor metabolic health, recovery, and performance without the distractions of notifications and screens. Metabolic tracking. AI analyzes glucose levels and metabolic responses, helping users optimize diet and energy levels. Athlete-level performance insights. The ring provides detailed data on muscle recovery, stress adaptation, and overall fitness readiness, helping users make data-driven lifestyle choices. Minimalist design. Unlike smartwatches, it offers advanced tracking in an ultra-light, barely noticeable form factor. Each of these devices is pushing the boundaries of AI-powered wearables. But what's coming next? The future of AI wearables is set to become even more immersive, intuitive, and integrated. In the next section, we'll explore the next generation of wearable technology and how it could change the way we interact with the world forever. Part 3. The future of AI wearables. If today's AI wearables can already replace many smartphone functions, What does the future hold? The rapid evolution of artificial intelligence and wearable technology suggests a future where these devices will be smarter, smaller, and more seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. We are entering an era where wearables will not just complement technology, they will replace traditional devices entirely. Here's what we can expect in the coming years. Neural interfaces, controlling technology with the mind. The idea of controlling devices with thoughts is no longer science fiction. Research into brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, is advancing rapidly, with companies like Neuralink, OpenBCI, and Synchron working on brainwave reading technology. Thought-controlled devices. Future wearables may allow users to type messages, browse the web, or control smart home devices using only their thoughts, eliminating the need for touchscreens, buttons, or voice commands. Enhanced accessibility. Neural interfaces could revolutionize communication for people with disabilities, allowing them to interact with technology in ways never before possible. AI-enhanced cognitive support. Brain interface wearables could analyze brain activity to detect stress, fatigue, or cognitive overload, providing real-time recommendations to optimize focus and productivity. AI-powered AR glasses. The end of smartphones, augmented reality. AR wearables are positioned to replace smartphones entirely by delivering digital content directly into our field of vision. The next generation of AI-powered smart glasses will transform how we consume and interact with digital information. Instant AI assistance. Smart glasses will integrate AI-powered virtual assistants, capable of providing contextual information about anything users see, whether it's identifying objects, translating languages, or providing navigation assistance. Seamless digital integration. Instead of looking down at a screen, users will have digital overlays in real-world environments, displaying notifications, messages, and apps in a more natural and immersive way. Hands-free work and entertainment. AR glasses will enable remote collaboration, immersive gaming, and even real-time holographic interactions, making screens and physical devices obsolete. AI-driven health prediction, detecting illness before it happens. Health monitoring wearables have already made significant strides, but the future will bring proactive health prediction powered by AI, potentially revolutionizing the medical industry. Early disease detection, AI-driven sensors will be able to detect diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart conditions long before symptoms appear, giving users time to seek early treatment. Personalized preventive healthcare. Future wearables will continuously monitor metabolic markers, immune responses, and environmental factors, providing personalized health recommendations to prevent illness before it develops. Wearables as virtual doctors. AI-powered devices could replace frequent doctor visits, analyzing biometric data in real time and offering instant medical advice or prescribing treatment remotely. Screenless interfaces. A world without screens. The concept of screens may soon become obsolete as AI-powered wearables move towards screenless interaction methods. Devices like the Humane AI Pin are already pioneering this shift, and future innovations could eliminate the need for traditional displays altogether. AI projections. Instead of screens, future devices may project interactive holographic interfaces onto any surface, allowing users to interact with apps, messages, and videos without carrying a physical screen. Voice and gesture dominance. With advanced AI-driven speech recognition and gesture control, digital interactions will become entirely hands-free, further reducing the need for physical devices. Augmented reality integration. Instead of using a smartphone for navigation, productivity, or communication, wearables will overlay digital content directly into the real world, making physical screens unnecessary. These innovations lead us to a crucial question. Are smartphones becoming obsolete? The way we interact with technology is shifting, and over the next decade, AI wearables could completely replace smartphones as the center of our digital lives. But how soon will this happen? And are we truly ready for a world without screens? Conclusion. Will wearables replace smartphones? The way we interact with technology is undergoing a radical transformation. Smartphones may no longer be the center of our digital lives in the near future. AI-powered wearables are becoming more intelligent, more discreet, and more integrated into our everyday activities. They are already more intuitive, responding to our gestures, voice, and even emotions. More hands-free, eliminating the need for screens and physical buttons. More personalized, learning our habits and providing tailored experiences. But are they ready to replace smartphones today? Not yet. The technology still needs improvements in areas like battery life, connectivity, and widespread adoption. However, within the next 5 to 10 years, this transition could become inevitable. And you? Would you trade your smartphone for an AI-powered wearable? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's discuss the future.